Hello guys, today I'm able to show you guys how I was able to take advantage of the move of USDCHF to be able to make those 20,000 guys. I'm gonna mark up the chart. This is a move that is happening. We have almost roughly we have around 400 pips coming on USD car, and USDCHF. Look at almost around 400. You see around 400 pips. So I'm gonna explain you guys how price is gonna play out to go there. I'm gonna explain you. So stay till the end of this video. It's gonna be like very interesting because you guys will learn a lot of things. So as you guys know, I always like to go into the higher time frame to break the trend, to break the chart down so that you guys can understand, and it helped me a lot to be confident and know where the market is going. So let's go into the weekly so that I can explain you guys, no, the monthly before. So you guys see the level that I made. I know some people will say that you trading here, but why you come to pull all this thing? All this thing is not necessary, but for me it's necessary because it gives me more confidence. I'm more confident when I have this thing plug in like this because I know exactly what price is doing and where it's going based of price action. So if you guys can see, price was going down. This was a bearish movement, and price keep touching this trend line like this. Price keep touching, testing the trend line, and right here, price break the trend line. He couldn't. He wasn't able to do like another high. So price break the trend line, tested, drop to test this level, and now it's going up. So this is a resistance zone, so price should be dropping from here. But what I think, based of what other pairs are doing right here, what I think is that price is gonna just go up like this, test the trend line, and come back to feed this area, come to feed this area all the way up to right here. But for now, we don't care about this because we are in the monthly. I'm just showing you guys how I'm able to predict like thousands of pips on the market. So for now, we're gonna go into the 4-hour time frame. But before we get there, this is another trend line. You see, that was holding. Sorry, this is another trend line that was holding price down because of this trend line. Price didn't break the trend line. You see, it was holding, and then here price break the trend line, test it, and it's going up. So all this thing give me confirmation that the market is going up. So we're gonna go into the weekly now to see if I'm right. So when we come to the weekly, what I can see from the weekly and what make me confident, like this is another confluence to show me like, hey, you're right, what you're saying is right. If you can see it, look out, this is a double top. A double top is not, I've always said that a double top is not always gonna be like so perfect that everyone can see. This is a double top actually, you feel me? So this was the neckline of the double top. So price bought aggressively, so price was not able to test the neckline. So that's why you see this sell, price sell and test the neckline. So now price is going up like this, but our target is not gonna be here. We're gonna get out of this trade right here, even though we know price is going higher than that. But from here, here to here, we're gonna get out of this trade, or let's say from here to here, we're gonna get out of this trade. But now I have another confluence. If I come close to this chart again, you're gonna see that, look at, price action. Price was playing like this to go down, and now what happens is price break the trend line. If you trading for a long time, you see this setup, you clearly know that price, this is so evident, like price break the trend line, like wash. Look at the trend line, look at, see, price break the trend line that it was using to go down. Price was using this trend line to go down, as you guys can see. Look at, and here price break, and then he didn't test it. Price didn't test the trend line, so that's why he came back all the way down to test it. This is where I took the trade that make me 20,000. This is where I took the trade because I knew that price was gonna go up. Price is going up like crazy. And another confluences too, if I put my Bollinger Band, you're gonna see that this last week candle come to the Bollinger Band. So I knew that price is price cannot break this Bollinger Band because price is going up. The US dollar is trending, so price is not gonna continue selling. So as soon as I saw price touching this Bollinger Band, I got my entry right here and I made the 20,000. And at the same time, I was so confident about the fact that price was just coming back to test the Bollinger Band. I was confident because here, when price tests this level, price failed to test the Bollinger Band. Price just bought to break the trend line, so price just failed to test the Bollinger Band right here. So it come back to test it, and now it's going up, guys. It's going all the way up to this area to test this Bollinger Band. But for now, I'm gonna remove the Bollinger Band. So I don't want to make the video too long, so I'm gonna go like quickly for you guys to understand what I'm trying to say. So let me adjust the trend line. If I adjust the trend line, it's gonna be like this. This is one secret too. You guys have to understand. I like this pair because it's easy. Like even you are a newbie, if even you just starting trading, you can trade this pair because this pair respects the fab level so much. This this pair respect the fab level so much, guys, so much. So you can take advantage of this pair because it move easily. Look at this move. Where you gonna see this kind of move so easy, getting money in the market so easily, guys. So you better take a look to see if you guys can be trading this pair. But for now, even if you don't want to trade this pair, you can just take advantage on and catch this 400 pips easy, guys. So now that we are in this daily time frame, what I can see from here is this head and shoulder. Look at a clearly head and shoulder. So nice. Look at this head and shoulder, so nice. If you don't see, let me highlight it. Look at look at this head and shoulder. So easy, guys, so easy. And now I know some people are wondering why this shit start to buy and then he come back all the way down. I know a lot of people was in this trade, and today is Monday obviously, and a lot of people was in this trade and they get cut, they get stepped out right here. And I'm gonna explain you why. We're gonna go into the 4-hour time frame for you guys to understand. It's true, we all know that price is going down up, but price is not gonna fly like this. Boom. No, price is not gonna do that. Price is gonna do this kind of shit, okay? This kind of shit to go up. But best believe me, guy, by the end of this week, price will reach this level by the end of this week. So what I mean by that is that this weekly candle that you see like small here is gonna go all the way up to here, guys. Best believe me, this shit is gonna do that. Now let's go into the 4-hour time frame for me to be able to explain you guys what price is doing. If you guys know how to use the fab, you're gonna understand what I'm trying to say. But before that, let's go into the 1-hour time frame, guys. Let's go into the 1-hour time frame. Now we are in the 1-hour time frame. So even here, guys, you can see that price, you can see that this was a head and shoulder. Look at this, the two shoulder right here. Look at the two shoulder and look at the head. So price is going like this. And if you know the rules of head and shoulder, when you see a head and shoulder formation, obviously price is gonna break the neckline of the head and shoulder and then come back to test the neckline. So this is what price is doing. Price is coming back to test the neckline and then he can start buy. Okay, and if you want to take advantage, you have two choice. Okay, you have two choice, and those choice I'm gonna talk about that soon. Just for now, we are trying to have to have more confluences. Why I'm sure, or let's say why we are so sure that price is going up. So these are the confluences that I'm trying to get, so that when I will press the buy button, I won't be scared at all, because I know that I'm like 90% right. In trading, you cannot say that you 100% right. You can be 80% right or 90% right, but have a decent risk management. As long as you have a decent risk management, you're good. You're good. So now let's add another confluences before I tell you how you guys can get entry in this in the for this move. So now, what, where, and why? How can I know where this sell, this small sell is gonna hand to be able to get my entry? And then how can I know that? I just need my fib. If I put my fib right here, this the move start here, right? But I feel like this was a fake break, a fake out. Okay, so this is where the move start, right here. But let me put my fib here. Doesn't matter. If I put my fib here, you see, if I put my fib here, the fib is telling me, hey, we all know that I'm going up, but I need to come back to test this 0.3 level. So price is just coming back. You see, price is just coming back to test the 0.3. But when I say test the 0.3, it might not stay here. It might come in the middle between the 0.3 and the 0.5 and start buying. So because I don't own this market, so I don't know what it's gonna be doing, and I don't know how you guys trade. If you guys have like 20 pips stop loss or 30 pips stop loss, I don't know that. But if you are the kind of guy, if you are the kind of guy that don't have a big stop loss, what you can be doing, let me take off the fade, let me put it back. If I put it back, I was telling about this zone. Okay, let me put it in black. I was talking about this zone, right? And let me take off this shit. So I was talking about this place. This is a fab level, right? So if I want to really be smart about that, what I'll be doing is just have a trend line right here. Okay, let's suppose that this was the move. Okay, let's suppose that this was the move, and this is gonna be the next move, right? So I just need to put my stop, my trend line, my counter trend line here. If I have my counter trend line here, at any given time, guys, at any given time, you're gonna see price breaking this counter trend line. Get your entry, because price will never ever come back in this zone, guys. Price is not coming back here. Excuse me. At any given time, guys, if you see price breaking this level, okay, if you see price breaking this level, take your entry, put your stop loss from somewhere around here. Yeah, your stop loss should be um, under the previous low. Therefore, you know that you cannot get step out. Okay, you're gonna be making like so much pips in the in this market, guys. So this is what I have to show you guys. So now I'm talking about the entry. I was talking about the confluence. This is how you guys have to think about placing how you guys should be thinking about placing a trade at any given time. You want to take a trade, have your confluences, and have in mind clearly why am I taking this trade. But you're not gonna jump in a trade or being thinking about all those stuff by the time you have to press the button to place the trade. You're not gonna do that. You have to plan before, and you have to know why I will be taking this trade, and when I'm gonna take the trade, and what are the criteria that need to be met before I take the trade. I don't know if you guys understand. If you do that, I can like promise you, like, you gonna have your stop loss. Your stop loss are gonna be hit like barely in this market, guys. Maybe you will be winning 8 times out of 10, guys. 8 times out of 10, guys. If you do that, first, plan your trade. Know why I'll be getting in this trade, and the second, when I will be getting in this trade, and the third, where the potential place you can, the potential price, let's say the potential price where you should be putting your stop loss. Once you have those three things, guys, when it comes time to press the button, press it. You're gonna be more confident to press the button, guy. I'm telling you, period. So guys, this is what I have for today, and I I close some of my trade because I have the trade from here to here. I close some of the trade, and now I'm just waiting to take another entry from here. And this is another way to trade it too, because me, what I do is that, because I'm sure that price is going up, I'm sure like 90% that price is going up. So what I do usually, if I need to drop like 10 lot for this trade, because I want to catch like if I drop like 10 lot, because I know price is coming here, if I drop 10 lot, it's gonna be from here to here 400 pips. That's 40,000, guys. So what I do usually, because I'm sure that price is gonna go up, when price is gonna reach somewhere around here, I just drop like 5 lot size, and I put my stop loss here, because I know price can no longer come back here. So I have my stop loss here, and I put 5. So if price come here, I'm losing like 2.5k. Okay, if price come here, I'm losing 2.5k. So my stop loss is gonna be here. And when price break this trend line, the small trend line, I'm now sure that price is ready to go. So I put the other 5, and then boom. So now you guys have the game. You know how to play. Go for it, guys. Go for your money. If you trade this move like I'm telling you guys, you're not gonna be your stop loss is not, you're not gonna be losing. You're gonna be making like tons of money, guys. I'm telling you. So this is how I trade, and I'm telling you all this from like almost 3.5 years experience, guys. I know what this guy is doing. And if you want another confirmation the price is going up, at least this is the TP1 and this is the TP2. This area is gonna be your TP1. Okay, this area is gonna be your TP1. What this shit is going, this area is gonna be your TP1, this is gonna be your TP2. But if you don't want to reach the TP2, it's all up to you. You can just take the trade here. By the time the price reach here, you have 240 pips. That's good. I don't know what loss size you're gonna be dropping, but I think that's decent amount. That you can do, like, you can have a decent amount with 200 pips, guys. So this is what I pay. And I was telling you that there are two trend line. This trend line literally tell me that price is going all the way up here, okay, to 100% retracement, like right here. And then there is another trend line that telling me that price is gonna be here. That trend line is this one. This is another confluence that I have that made me so sure that price is going up. So this is the other one. You see, price break the trend line, as you guys can see. Price break it, okay. And what price is trying to do, it test it, go up, and price is trying to come back to test it, maybe from here or here, test it back, and then boom. Guys, don't want the video to be too long. I hope you have the game. I hope you know how to do all this shit. I have a lot of pairs lined up that I can tell you guys easily what those pairs are doing, but it's gonna make the video too long. So